Welcome to lecture number 8 of this series where I show you how to build a voice AI agent that connects to internet. In this series, we're going to have a look at what we have built earlier and test it with Postman so that you get some more clarity. We said we kind of expect that kind of an output from an input that we get like this. And we ran it here. We already have this information here. One of the underrated features of n8n is this pen tool. So I highly encourage you to use it. When you pin it, basically, you take that data that you got from Vapi and you save it here. If next time you refresh your workflow, you open it, it's there, and then you can literally execute the entire workflow, and then this entire workflow works. And then you see the response that we generated here. So what I want to do is I want to take the entire response that came here to me from the body and onwards. Maybe something like from here, and all of this information that Vapi is sending me. So I'm going to copy that, and I will go to my Postman. This is the same 9b9b endpoint. And instead of sending this, I'm going to send this entire object to this. And if my workflow is running, we need to click on this listen to test and unpin the test data so that it's listening in the listening mode. Now if I put this thing here, you can see if I send this information, now, okay, this is a small bug in n8n. Sometimes it shows you this green part in this and then just doesn't move on. Either you refresh it, it works. I need to run the workflow. It's running right now. You can see it here. If it didn't work, no, it worked. If it didn't work, then you leave the entire workflow and then come back. Right now, this is another error that says the model didn't fit the data that it's receiving from here because we changed the data structure. For that, we can just literally go here and fix it quickly so that I can make my point about n8n workflows. So basically, it cannot find this. I'm going to take this body here, put it, execute. It should just work fine. Okay. I am going to save this, put this on the side, run the workflow, execute it using Postman. You can see everything ran, and I got this thing in here, the response. So now what I did in this example was this one endpoint can be changed from the system A, can be Vapi, or can be Postman. And whatever comes to it, it can make sense of it, and then it can send it back to the requester. Whether this be Postman in this case here, Postman send me some information, I send back some information to Postman. Or this be Vapi in this case. Requested something, processed something, responded back something. So with that being said, you can send specific information to the requester or the HTTP requester. And in the next lecture, we're going to have a look at Perplexity node and actually search the internet. So see you in the next lecture.